how are you? After a long time, I am here again with a new video for Standard 9. This video is about the types of diseases. Means we all know that diseases are of many types. Sometimes we hear acute and chronic diseases. So acute diseases are those which appears for suddenly and lasts for few days and we get again cured. So these diseases are like cholera, typhoid and common cold. These are some acute diseases. But chronic diseases are those diseases which develop gradually, means slowly, and last for many years, like heart disease and diabetes, arthritis, tuberculosis. These diseases take time to develop. Some symptoms appear but we ignore it, and after a time, a long gap, we feel that we are suffering from a disease, and this disease lasts for also very long time. Sometimes it runs throughout our life. So these are some time period for which time the disease appears. On this basis, we have classified the diseases according to acute and chronic. But in this video, we will read about the types of diseases, means how they appear and what are the causes. So there are mainly two types of diseases. Congenital diseases are the diseases which are present in the body from the birth. Means these diseases are passed on from the parents to the offspring, and these are caused due to genetic disorders, means gene mutation. In our body, mutation takes place. So, if gene mutation takes place in a particular body, then some diseases like hemophilia, diabetes, sickle cell anemia, these appear. And second cause of congenital diseases are environmental factors. Environmental factors are also a cause of congenital diseases. Second type of disease is acquired diseases. Acquired means which the diseases which acquired by the body after birth and are not heritable. Means these diseases, if a person has suppose tuberculosis, this is the acquired disease. The person has acquired this from the environment or from the food or some contacts, but it will not pass on to his or her offspring, means child. So these diseases are called acquired diseases, and these are again of two types. In two classes these are categorized. First is non-infectious or non-communicable. There are some diseases which do not harm any other person who is in our close contact or who eats with us, who sleeps with us. No. These diseases are known as non-communicable diseases. Again, non-communicable diseases are of two types. First is degenerative disease. In these diseases, the body organs degenerates. So we will talk about them, we will discuss about these topics in later on, but now I am only giving you the name. So degenerative diseases and deficiency diseases. You all know deficiency diseases are the diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of vitamins, minerals in our body. So these are also non-communicable diseases. Second is infectious or communicable diseases which can be passed on from one person to another. It spreads. So these are non-communicable diseases, and communicable diseases are always caused by the germs or the pathogens. We all know germs or pathogens are the microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa. So these are the causes of the